Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am super excited to share my recent visit to the British Museum in London. Get ready to dive into fascinating world of ancient wonders. Last week I had the incredible opportunity to explore this museum, filled with treasures from Egypt's rich history. From mummies to ancient artifacts, each exhibit tells a unique story that spans centuries. As we journey through the video, you will catch glimpses of the mesmerizing displays and learn a little bit about the lives of the people who lived in ancient Egypt. If you are fascinated by history, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more cultural adventures. Thanks for joining me on this exploration, and I will catch you in the next video.